Hi, this is Alex. For a little over 10 years, I have supported companies of all sizes and sectors. And you know what? I've always seen the same problems: scattered data, long and manual Excel reports, hours lost every week, decisions made with poor information. And in the end, we move forward blindly with reporting errors that end up costing a lot. For me, it was no longer possible. So I created Business Automation BI. My mission is simple: to help you turn your data into reliable decisions. How? By automating your reports and integrating AI for more clarity and more anticipation. With Power BI, Microsoft Fabric, and the power of artificial intelligence, we transform your data into quick and lasting results in 3 steps. Step 1. We analyze your organization and processes. Every company is unique, no generic solution. And with AI, we quickly detect friction points and opportunities. Step 2. Deploy quickly and iteratively. Results are visible within a few weeks. Each version is validated by your teams, and AI anticipates impacts to optimize your decisions. Step 3. Make your teams autonomous. We create customized training courses in e-learning on Power BI, Fabric, AI, and other BI tools. The goal is clear: zero dependency. Your teams create their own predictive and automated dashboards. And in the end, what do you gain? Clear visibility into your business, faster and more reliable decisions, and most importantly, fewer errors, hence more impact. In fact, over 95% of our clients create their own dashboards in less than 30 days, guided by AI. So, are you ready to take action? Book your free audit now. We'll show you a real prototype based on your needs, even before you commit. Automate, centralize, make better decisions. With Business Automation BI, you move faster, further, and more strategically, with AI serving your growth.